Hello, everybody, and welcome to JND. Today, we're super excited to introduce our 3.5 millimeter male to dual RCA female audio cable. Constructed with gold plated copper shells, offers high performance connections, and ensures crystal clear sound between your media devices. The dual RCA female to 3.5 millimeter male audio cable provides excellent sound quality without distortion or interruption. It allows you to easily connect your PC, tablets, or smartphone to home audio systems, and even connect to stereo components that uses RCA connectors. Our product offers a wide array of services, making it easy to find the perfect connection. Enjoy your music with no hassle and no extra wires. Shop now and find the perfect audio solution for your needs. Thanks for watching.